Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best vacuum cleaner for home you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best vacuum cleaner on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which vacuum cleaner are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Shark ZU561 Vacuum Cleaner. This Shark vacuum cleaner is lightweight upright vacuum, features the self-cleaning brush roll for powerful pet hair pickup with no hair wrap. Lift-away technology makes it easy to clean stairs and furniture, and anti-allergen complete seal technology traps over 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Swivel steering features provides effortless maneuverability for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. For maintained suction power, it has suction control slider to manage suction power from hard floors to carpets. For no more details, let's watch more. Our second best vacuum cleaner for home is ProScenic 850T Vacuum Cleaner. If you want a Perf 4 count home automation IoT product, ProScenic 850T Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect solution. This robotic vacuum cleaner can be operated by app control, also assistance by Alexa and Google Home. With the ProScenic Home app you can make cleaning plans, change cleaning modes, start or stop cleaning from anywhere, etc. However, please note that the app only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The ProScenic 850T Robot Hoover has a first-class brushless motor with a suction force of up to 3,000 pascals. Strong suction can easily vacuum up all the dust, hair and trash. With 3 adjustable levels, the robot vacuum can meet your various requirements. Never worry about charging. When cleaning is finished or when the battery is low, the robot automatically returns to the charging station and starts charging, so it always prepares for the next round. For no more details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Whole-Life Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Whole-Life Cordless Handheld Vacuum, meet all your requirement vacuum once, clean it once. Hand vacuum delivers consistent 6,000 PA strong suction for maximum vacuum performance, can suck large items like mobile phone, book, etc. Great for upholstery, carpets, floors, stairs, table, chair, cabinet and narrowest places in your home and car. Wet and dry cleaning. Whole Life Wet and Dry Vacuum offers 2-in-1 functionality for debris pickup and liquid spill cleanup, help you complete a wide range of cleaning up tasks. The vacuum cleaner lowers its noise to 78 decibels when operating. You can wash the filter after each use, don't need to replace it often. Easy to empty and clean, a washable and removable Clear Zero. 6 liters large dust container is simple to be detached and emptied with a button. For no more details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Shark RV1001A Robotic Vacuum. The Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty combines the convenience of a self-empty base and IQ navigation, makes total home mapping for complete. It is very efficient to cleaning with the performance of Shark suction and self-cleaning brush roll. After each cleaning session, your robot vacuum automatically empties into the bagless base, which holds up to a month of dirt and debris. For no more details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best vacuum cleaner for home is Shark Terracotta Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Vacuum Cleaner has completely redesigned the lift-away vacuum to combine full-size upright vacuum suction with ultralight stick vacuum versatility. The Shark Uplight delivers power, ease, and innovation on the floor, above the floor, and even in hard-to-reach areas. This Shark has hypervelocity accelerated suction, means a direct airflow path for incredible performance. Dual Clean technology is a dual brush roll system designed to deep clean carpets and directly engage floors for a polished look. Shark's lightest lift-away pod features an extendable, built-in hose that allows you to clean couches, bookshelves, tight spaces, car interiors, and more. For no more details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product videos, we randomly provide special giveaway offer. So, please subscribe Best Pick List for more product deal and guide on your feed. You can also check description for product link and updated prices. Happy shopping!